China continues to battle its worst COVID-19 outbreak. On Friday, Chinese health officials called the situation severe and complex. According to national health officials, the country has counted more than 56,000 cases since March 1st. More than half of those cases have been recorded in northeastern Jilin province and include asymptomatic cases as well. The numbers do not include Hong Kong, which track its COVID-19 data separately. An infectious disease expert at China Center for Disease Control, Wu Zhonyong, said that China continues to seek dynamic zero COVID in the short term as it is still the most economical and most effective prevention strategy against COVID-19. The zero COVID strategy relies on lockdowns and mass testing, with close contacts often being quarantined at home or in a central government facility. The strategy focuses on eradicating community transmission of the virus as quickly as possible, sometimes by locking down entire cities. Last week, Chinese President Xi Jinping acknowledged the toll of the stringent measures, saying China should seek maximum effect with minimum cost in controlling the virus. Since then, officials have emphasized that they will ensure their approach and restrictions are targeted.